Hello everyone, today we will discuss about menstrual cycle and hygiene. Menstrual cycle is of 28 plus minus 7 days. The duration of bleeding vary from 2 to 5 days, during which there is a removal of normally 80 milliliters of blood. Periods is the removal of unwanted body tissue in the absence of fertilization, and which shows that a girl is reproductively healthy. If the menstrual hygiene is not maintained properly, then it could lead to a lot of complications. Women have to be careful when it's come to menstrual hygiene, or it could cause many problems. Despite all our development, India is one of the countries where a lot of women still manage with a piece of cloth, especially in the rural areas. Poor menstrual hygiene can cause urinary tract infections, vaginal infections and rashes, which could worsen their physical status. Some women may suffer from genital infections due to poor menstrual hygiene or pelvic pain, which could lead to infertility in the future. Pelvic infection can also cause heavy periods, which may cause anemia. Short cycle with heavy bleeding can be a sign of possible iron deficiency, fibroid, or low hemoglobin. An unclear or dried out pad worn over a long time can cause a localized allergic reactions leading to irritation and itching. Dirty or soiled coal in touch with the human body can cause allergic reactions in the woman in particular areas. There are some excessive cause of bleeding. If there is any change in periodicity, amount of bleeding or pain, then it suggests that there is something wrong inside the body. Abnormal bleeding can also happen because of stress and some hormonal disorders like thyroid problem. Lack of exercise and improper diet also leads to menstrual irregularities, which can have a long-term consequences on human body. Eating properly is also crucial during this time of period. If you don't take anything containing fat, then the body could enter in emergency mode, which can result in the alteration of metabolic system and leads to a condition called amenorrhea. You must try to take green vegetables, water to hydrate yourself, as during periods there is lot of mood swings though, so you must try different activities which make you feel happy.